The Blizzard Bonafide 97. So this has been an enigma for me. It's a bit of a hard ski to ski on if you're not a good skier, but more importantly, if you like the old vocal mantra of yore, the ones that were full metal, this is the ski that replaces it.
Very stable, no real chatter at all on this ski. I enjoyed it thoroughly, found it very playful and quick.
A lot more playful, a lot more carvy, a lot more easy. But on the flip side, top end, giving up a little bit of top end in order for slow to medium speed ability. Very fun to ski on.
We're skiing here in the afternoon, Mount Norquay. Sun's out, but it's still hard packed ice and some light snow. You can feel the metal, as funny as it sounds, and you can actually hear the metal when you're skiing. It reminds me of the old Head 360 from 4 decades ago.
Looking for something that you're firmly planted to the snow. You're not the kind of guy that's going to jump unless you're going to go long, nothing inverted, nothing rotational. This is the ski. Like, this ski is firmly planted. My friend Michael said it reminded him of driving a Land Rover. A big Range Rover, yes, something substantial. There's beef in this ski. There's metal in this ski. There's wood in this ski. This ski wants to take you to where you want to go as fast as you'd like to go, but it requires a good pilot.
It tracks well. This is a great ski.
But you can really feel it at low speeds and at a lower skill set. This is eons better than last year's Bonafide, in my opinion.
Long radius, beautiful. Short radius, edge on edge. It's just a joy to ski.
If you think vibrations are a bad thing in a ski, if you want a ski that can go as fast as you can possibly take it and it'll just hang tight, and the only limit to this ski is the skier. It is a serious ski, and it is a challenging ski, and I find it's a quite rewarding ski if you ski it the way it wants to be skied. Now keep in mind, 195 pounds, 190 pounds, 177 is as long as I'd want to ski that ski. Skiing longer than that will require this weight, height, and youth.